Myself, Amulya S. Gaonkar. I am a final year computer science engineering student at AITM Bhatkar, and my seminar topic is Designing and Fabrication of Smart Home with Internet of Things Enabled Automation System. I am doing this seminar under the guidance of my professor Prashant Naik. Smart Home. We have always dreamed about having a smart home as we watch in the hi-fi movies. Those fictional automated smart homes might seem they are not too far from today's reality. So now let us learn about home automation. Home automation is a convenient way to control and monitor different day-to-day devices and appliances we use at home. These include home lighting, air conditioning, home heating, security cameras, motion sensors, energy control unit, weather sensors. So, whilst different home automation solutions largely vary in functionality and scope, most modern systems feature a central control panel, also known as hub. The hub connects to the home Wi-Fi network and becomes a primary interface through which all your home utilities can be controlled remotely. This system is expandable, which means you can add more devices to this ecosystem in the future as your requirements grow. So let us move on to the next slide. Why home automation system is needed? Home automation system has developed to save time, electricity and energy. So these are the contents. The contents include introduction, motivations and problem statement, research contributions, related works, development of smart home prototype, smart home design, smart home fabrication, development of IoT at home automation system, design enhancement and optimization, implementation of IoT at home, overall system architecture, experimental results and validation, conclusion and future work, and the references. Introduction. Home automation systems have attracted considerable attention with the advancement of communications technology. A smart home is an Internet of Things application that allows users to control and monitor home appliances in real time over the Internet. An smart home is a home with an automated system that comprises sensors, actuators, and controllers to enhance comfort, automation, safety, and security for a better life quality of residents. In the modern world, smart devices such as smartphones, smart televisions, smart washing machines, smart refrigerators, and smart sensors have become involved in every aspect of people's daily lives. Such smart devices are capable of communicating and interacting with one another to form a smart environment. An automation system should be developed to manage the communication between smart devices within smart homes. Many automation systems have been developed and some of them are used as commercial products in the market. Some of these products are adopted to control home appliances either locally or remotely. With the invention of microcontrollers, the costs of electronic control have rapidly decreased at the end of the last century and home automation has emerged. Various automation technologies such as remote control for TVs, fans, air conditioners, and music players have been used to equip home appliances with the required systems for easy monitoring and control. With the widespread introduction of electricity into homes and the rapid advancement of information technology, a new era of controlling home appliances has started by using mobile devices with short range communication interfaces such as Bluetooth and Zigbee, and by Wi Fi networks and GSM modules. All these systems and technologies are useful for indoor control of home appliances and does not allow residents to monitor and control their home from the outside. Although such systems allow interaction with inhibitors to provide convenience, comfort, safety, and energy efficiency at all times. They have many limitations in functionality and communication range. Most of these systems do not utilize the powerful features of the emerging IoT technology, which aims to connect billions of smart devices like phones, laptops, sensors, and actuators to the internet. At present, majority of homes have some of the smartness because various devices have built-in sensors or electronic appliance controllers. Devices within an SH system can be linked with one another and reached through an access point to monitor home conditions and control home appliances. For instance, lights, thermostats, TVs, door locks, cameras, washing machines, and refrigerators can be monitored and controlled via an all in one SH automation system. Such a system becomes an IoT based automation system when it is provided with access to the internet. Home automation systems have many benefits such as reduction of electric consumption and energy costs. In addition, home automation systems increase home security and safety. For example, some systems can notify home owners when any motion is detected at home while they are not around, and some of the appliances can report to fire stations in case of fire. IoT can be utilized to improve the existing home automation systems by introducing a main control over the internet. The main part of the home automation system based on IoT is the microcontroller. A node microcontroller unit Wi-Fi based controller board is an open source platform for IoT applications and is used as the main microcontroller in this project. Node MCU is basically used to gather data obtained by sensors and uploads the data to the IoT server. In addition, this microcontroller receives commands given by users via smartphones or laptops to perform specific tasks. This study presents the design, fabrication, and validation of an IoT based portable automation system called IoT at Home for smart homes. It enables IoT automation and monitoring of smart homes by using Node MCU as microcontroller and internet gateway. IoT Home utilizes several sensors to monitor various home related parameters such as temperature, humidity, gas leakage, motion, radio frequency, identification, and water level. Several actuators are used to perform control activities of home appliances such as switching of lights and fans, control of doors and windows, and opening and operation of motors and pumps. Furthermore, a user friendly graphical user interface GUI is developed to facilitate the interaction between users and the smart home. So now let's move to the next slide, motivations and problem statement. The advantages of SH automation systems include ease and accessibility, energy reduction, convenience, comfort, peace of mind, entertainment, safety, and security. A study has been conducted to identify the problems in existing home automation systems. Most existing systems are unsuitable for many users because of their high costs and difficulty in maintenance. In addition, existing home automation systems lack of IoT technologies and have unfriendly user interfaces. Some existing SH automation systems do not consider safety and security. Safety and security are important elements in any SH to avoid incidents. Some existing SHs have insufficient features and functionalities because the original installer may not have adequate knowledge of the installation and commission of the system. Existing systems have limited wireless transmission range connectivity because they utilize short range wireless interfaces such as Zigbee, Bluetooth, and Wi Fi. So, here considerable home automation systems are available in the market. These systems can be classified into two main categories, namely local control, and remote or global control, which differ based on their concept for operation. Basically, local control systems use an in-home controller with a stationary or wireless communication technology to connect to the central hub or gateway, and users can only control home appliances locally. Remote or global control systems allow users to control home appliances from anywhere over the internet using their smartphones or laptops. Home automation systems should provide a user friendly interface to efficiently monitor and control home appliances. To address these issues and minimize the limitations of home automation systems, the present study introduces a cost effective and hybrid IoT at home automation system to extend the range of connectivity and allow users to control their homes easily and efficiently via a user friendly interface using smartphones and or laptops regardless of time and location. The proposed system considers safety and security. The system cost is considered by using Node MCU and free mobile apps to manage, monitor, and control home appliances and conditions over the internet. So, moving on to the next slide, here is the research contributions. The main contribution of this study is the development of an efficient, low cost, and portable IoT at home system to continuously monitor home conditions and comfortably control home appliances over the internet regardless of time and location. To fulfill these requirements, this study adopts the following objectives and contributions. The first one is design and fabrication of an SH prototype that facilitates the monitoring and control of home appliances using an IoT platform and supports home safety by utilizing Node MCU as a gateway to connect the system to the internet. An algorithm for smart home monitoring and automation based on IoT. Implementation of an innovative portable IoT add-on automation controller as a box that can be attached for monitoring and controlling a real house. Validation of IoT at home system functionalities in terms of automation, security and safety, and evaluation of the performance of the developed system. The design and fabrication of an SH prototype are based on IoT. The proposed system integrates Wi-Fi for local control and IoT for enabling remote control and monitoring via an IoT platform and ubiquitous evaluation of activities. This condition allows the independence of mobile provider and user location. Node MCU is used as a microcontroller and Wi-Fi as a communication protocol. The message sent from the Wi-Fi connected microcontroller managed system can be received by the users on their smartphone or computer from any distance by ensuring that the electronic devices are connected to the internet. Node MCU is programmed on the Arduino software. This software helps to write the codes and upload the program on the chip of the microcontroller. The system can be merged to the switches and sensors of home appliances to allow efficient control. Several sensors are attached to the controlled household appliances and placed throughout the home to track activities and events. Systems is integrated with alarm devices to detect any security threat. Related works. Smart homes represent a concept rather than actual structures. Science fiction has provided the concept of home automation for decades and has been demonstrated by the American Association of House Builders in 1984. An SH is the integration of technology that enables users to achieve a better quality of living. SH is a voice assistant for the remote control of all home appliances. SH can help to improve security, comfort, convenience, and energy management. SH aids elderly and disabled people by providing them a safe and secure environment. Basically, SHs can be categorized into two types, namely wired and wireless system. An smart home is an environment where heterogeneous and electronic devices are connected together to deliver smart services to individuals. IoT based smart homes are an important part of the proposed and developed smart cities worldwide. And smart home is designed to improve the standard of living, safety, security, and reduce energy consumption and resources. In addition, smart home plays an important role in community development. Thus, the key features of smart homes include real time monitoring, safety from hackers, remote control, and fire and gas alarms. In an smart home environment, smart appliances can be directly connected to the home network, and the commands are given by users to individually control each appliance. Smart devices can be automatically react when commands are given either through voice, smartphone, or computer. Majority of control applications are interrelated to lighting, motion, security, entertainment, and temperature. The use of smartphones and computers are crucial because they are technological benchmarks in the modern era. Users can bring these gadgets anywhere and directly configure them through the internet to link with online devices. IoT is a catchword in which the objects are interrelated and connected through network. IoT is an enormous network of linked objects and humans which collects and shows the required data and surroundings by using a large number of devices of all sizes. Devices such as smartphones and computers are linked to sensors and connected to IoT networks. The data are integrated from various devices and imply analytic internet waves to show the most valuable data with the devices built to meet specific needs. In an smart home automation control using Bluetooth and GSM module was proposed. The objective of this study is to help handicapped and elderly people to control home appliances from remote places. People used Bluetooth and GSM wireless communications to control the home. Bluetooth was also used to control the appliances indoor and GSM to control the appliances outdoor. Bluetooth can reduce system costs because most cell phones and laptops have this built-in application. Users can monitor and control the appliances from remote places by sending SMS through GSM. However, such a system has limitations in the two cases. Bluetooth has a limited range and data rate, and GSM is expensive because of SMS costs. In a home automation and environmental monitoring system was developed using Arduino Mega 2560 microcontroller with Bluetooth module. Several sensors and switches were used to control home appliances through websites or Android applications. The website controls Arduino by passing information to it as codes. Arduino Mega is more expensive than Node MCU, and the use of Bluetooth is unsuitable for SH applications due to its limited features. A Wi Fi based home automation system was designed and implemented. The developed prototype allowed users to control and monitor the home through Wi-Fi. So let's move on to the next slide. Development of smart home prototype. These are the methodology for development of smart home prototype. This section describes the methodology adopted in this study, which includes systematic organization of different research phases is in conjunction with the detailed design and implementation of the IoT at home system and SH prototype. In addition, the selection of components and their integration are explained to fulfill the design objectives. This is the flow chart of research activities. It illustrates the conceptual framework of this study. The research starts by identifying the problems encountered in existing smart home systems. Most considerable problems of the available systems in the market are their high initial implementation costs and unfriendly user interfaces. The modeling phase focuses on the selection of materials and components for building the SH prototype and developing the IoT at home system. So this is the design of SH prototype using NX10 software. Here the SH is designed on NX10 software based on the requirements. The prototype design includes master bedroom, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, toilet 1, toilet 2, kitchen, living room and a porch. Its outside measurement is 100 cm into 100 cm. The windows are closed and opened through a sliding motion. The upper part of the windows uses a steel rod as the base. The doors have a motor installed at the upper side for opening and closing. A motion sensor is connected to the door to detect motions and the automatic closing and opening. The RFID sensors is placed outside the house where the owner scans the access card to enter the house. A tank is installed at a high position to enable smooth water flow. An ultrasonic sensor is placed in the water tank to detect the water level. Three metal rods are installed in the center of the tank. The tank is connected outside the house prototype. Overall, the SH prototype is implemented with the IoT at home system. Figure shows the overall design and layout of the SH prototype. So this is the smart home prototype fabrication. The plant layout is designed on NX10 as previously shown. The SH prototype is fabricated using plywood as shown in figure. The plywood is cut into specific measurements and dimensions using a table saw. The spotted area is drilled to attach the wood using screws. The plywood is attached at the base of the house prototype by using hammer, screws and wood glue to strengthen the attachment. So let's move on to the next slide. This is the development of IoT at home automation system. Here the selections of components are hardware and software components are crucial and essential in the design of the IoT at home system for successful and smooth SH automation. After the selection of components, design and fabricate the IoT at home automation system takes place. The system hardware components are discussed. Node MCU, which is a low cost thumb sized microcontroller, is used as central controlling unit in this system. Arduino IDE is an application that is used to write codes and uploads them to the Node MCU board. In this project, Arduino IDE is used for coding, debugging and testing the functionalities of the IoT at home system and its components. Arduino IDE has other features such as a debugging area in case of abnormal conditions to support various Arduino boards, additional libraries and a series monitor for communicating with the board. Arduino libraries are usually expressed as .cpp files based on software abstraction called wiring. Wiring allows the easy control of hardware ports through simple functions without the consulting data sheets and being delayed in pin mapping. Thus, Arduino uses the bits of C and C++, but the general flow and structure of the code are heavily based around C. This is the enhancement and design enhancement and optimization. The implemented hardware system in the SH prototype is evaluated and design is enhanced and optimized when any error exists until the system can perform well. This phase is important to improve the system performance and detect errors. Thus, the problems encountered during the previous phases are identified and fixed. This step is repeated until a successful implementation is achieved. So, this is the implementation of IoT at home. The main contribution of this work is the development of an innovative market-ready portable controller that can be implemented in real houses to continuously monitor home conditions and comfortably manage home appliances through the internet regardless of time and place. In this study, Node MCU is selected for the SH prototype because of its capabilities and cost effectiveness. Several sensors such as temperature and humidity, gas, RFID, ultrasonic and motion sensors are used to ensure that the system is smart and safe. Several experiments for individual sensors and actuators are conducted on the breadboard before starting the final implementation and fabrication of the developed system. Thus, the proper materials and components for the system are selected. As part of software implementation, two GUIs are developed for monitoring and controlling the SH prototype. So, this is the overall system architecture. The overall system architecture in this study, the node MCU sends the data collected by the sensor to the MQTT server and responds to the commands given by the user from the server to the system, such as on or off switching of actuators. Similar to LEDs, the node MCU uses the embedded Wi-Fi module to connect to the internet. Users can monitor the data on the server by logging in using any electronic device that can access the internet and control lights, fans and motors. So, this is the experimental results and validation. This section presents the results to verify the functionalities of the implemented IoT at home system in the fabricated SH prototype. Thus, IoT at home successfully controls home appliances such as lights, doors, pumps, fans and others, and monitors various stimuli such as temperature, humidity, gas, water level and motion using mobile phones, laptops through Google Assistant. Users can monitor and control the SH prototype anytime and anywhere by connecting to the internet. One of the achievements of this study is the utilization of artificial intelligence in controlling home appliances by enabling Google Assistant voice commands to help people with disabilities. Users have multiple operations by developing multi-dashboards and can utilize any device by connecting to the internet regardless of time and location to the monitor and control the home. Node MCU is connected to the predefined Wi-Fi network to continuously connect the IoT at home system to the internet. This figure shows the GUI for monitoring of the SH through Adafruit IO and MQTT Dash. Users can obtain up-to-date information from the sensors through the Adafruit IO platform or MQTT dash. In addition, users can switch on or off the light bulbs using the buttons on the GUI. So, here is the Google Assistant is an add-on functionality that enables the control of home appliances using voice commands as demonstrated in figure. Furthermore, all utilized sensors can be used in the next step to fully automate the light and home appliances to reduce energy consumption. So, here is the conclusion and the future work. This study presented the design, fabrication and implementation of a portable, user-friendly and low-cost automation system for SHS based on IoT. The developed IoT at home systems can be easily implemented in a real house to allow real-time monitoring of home conditions and control of home appliances. Several sensors and actuators were connected to the Node MCU controller, which updated the data to the IoT server. For security and safety purposes, the user receives notifications on their mobile phones about any abnormal condition at home via the IFTTT server. The results of this study are promising and the developed system can increase the safety, security, intelligence and comfort of users. So, these are the references I referred for this creation of the seminar. Thank you.